Lal Singh was such a beautiful, honest film, and you have such a stalwart, such a legend like Aamir. What an actor! I'm the most proud that you gave me Rupa, because I feel what Rupa has done more for me than even what a Singham can do.
And
20 years ago, like, I was just so unaware of, like, anything, even though I came from a film family, but I had like no idea. I would just have no inhibitions. This is not your mark, you haven't come stood here. I mean, so I think as you grow as an actor over time, experience, and then you kind of become more and more aware, which is a good and a bad thing. I think somehow, obviously, because then in your mind, like, when you know that you have to reach a certain mark while emoting or doing something, that is there in your mind, कि यहाँ पहुँचना है light की वजह से. Plus, at the like Raj said, that being truthful at that time, because all you can think of is that particular moment. So I think now with experience, I firmly believe that, like, I just give myself to the director, and he has to guide me, because he creates everything. The film is in his mind. I think actors should just, submit themselves. And like, I'm very different because I don't prepare from that school, so I don't know also how to prepare. The only thing I know to prepare is I learn my lines. I must always be ready to say my lines backwards also. So that's one. Yeah, I mean, I have to be able to, do anything, stand on one leg and say the line. So I think that is something that I believe in, So whether it's Rohit Shetty also, or whether it's Hansal Mehta, or, Sujoy Ghosh, it's, it's difficult. But also, Rohit Shetty School of Acting, I mean, it is difficult. It's not easy to, just, make the character believable in a world where there are like 30 cars flying. You have to still find somewhere,
Time.
Yeah.
Whether it's in this kind of, कुछ भी नहीं सोच रहे आपका camera.
Actor has nothing to do with box office. In fact, box office, I feel, hampers that, because like you said, it's a trap. You get stuck कि फिर यही picture करनी. This film is going to make 500. This film is going to make 1,000. Now we should make this sequel. That, so it's just, in fact, it's scary. It was such a stalwart, such a legend like Aamir. What an actor in that film. And of course, he was shattered. And he met me somewhere and he said, "Picture नहीं चली हमारी ना, तो बात तो करेगी ना." They're actors. I'm the most proud that you gave more for me than even what a Singham can do.
How?
And just the character that was so beautiful, which Advait wrote, crore hone wali hai. I think it was just made with all heart, and everybody just giving it their best. We had COVID, and then I got pregnant in COVID, and I was like, oh my God, we're in the middle of this movie, and I have to call up Aamir and tell him that it's COVID and we're 50-60% into the movie and I'm pregnant. He said, I think it's Aamir and you should tell him, and we're stuck in a in a situation that we don't know when this lockdown is going to open, what has happened. And I mean, you don't even have to say it's a mistake. I mean, things happen. We've been at home for like a year and a half, and we've just, no actors with work. And he was like, don't be scared, pick up the phone. Don't know, how he's going to take this, because it's in the middle. And I just called him up and I told him, and like, I said, I don't know. I mean, if you want to replace me, if you can, I don't know, but, this is it. And I'm a mother, and I'm, and I, want to have my second child. So should I be saying sorry? I don't even know, like I am now. And he was like, I'm just so happy for you. And we're going to do this together, and I'm going to wait for you, and whatever it takes. There are people in the industry who also value you for, just going on with your life and standing by your decision. I was so happy that he did it, and we made this movie, and everyone loved it or didn't love it, but that's just the way life is.
yeah.
I'm really hoping that in 2025 I want to, because that's something that I think I've not done, because what else is left? So, like a really cool 3-4 part mini-series, on any platform, but something different for me. I'm reading, but I want to find it in 2020.
This is Kareena Kapoor Khan, the Hollywood Reporter, India.